Are you ready to witness an incredible financial transformation? Tired of living paycheck to paycheck and dreaming of a life of financial freedom? Well, look no further, because I have discovered the ultimate method to go from $0 to $10,000 in just 14 short days. Strap in, because I will reveal the step-by-step blueprint to change your financial situation forever. With this proven system, anyone can achieve astonishing wealth and take control of their future. Keep an open mind and get ready for your life to change dramatically. Number 1. Identify a high-potential market niche. The first key to success with this method is choosing the right market to enter. When starting with no capital, you must leverage something of high value that does not require significant upfront costs. One of the best options is researching popular online niches and identifying gaps where useful information or services could be improved. Take the time to thoroughly analyze trending topics, conduct keyword research, and look for opportunities where your knowledge or skills can fill a need. Some great categories include health and wellness, personal finance, self-improvement, business and entrepreneurship, technology, and more. The goal is to pick a focused niche or problem that many people are actively searching for solutions to online. Number 2. Create a compelling digital product. Now that you have identified a high-potential niche, creating your flagship digital product is time. Some excellent options to generate fast income include eBooks, online video courses, templates, checklists, guides, and toolkits. The core principle is to deliver targeted, high-value content that provides step-by-step solutions to common problems or challenges in your niche. Quality graphics, professional formatting, and easy navigation are crucial for an outstanding user experience. Keep your initial product relatively short at around 20 to 30 pages so it can be consumed quickly. Make sure to over-deliver real value and educate your potential customers so they see you as the top expert and are eager to learn more from your subsequent offerings. Thoroughly test your product on friends and family for feedback before launching. Number 3. Design an eye-catching landing page. The next crucial step is constructing a professional and polished landing page to promote your new digital product. This page will be the hub driving all of your marketing activities and conversions over the next 14 days. Ensure you include high-resolution images, compelling copywriting, social proof like customer testimonials, and a strong call to action to purchase your product. Pay careful attention to usability, speed, and optimization, so your page conveys credibility and encourages visitors to take immediate action. Leverage conversion rate optimization tactics like scarcity language, incentives, and appealing design elements to capture people's attention and motivate them to buy immediately without hesitation. The goal is to build a highly converting sales page that effortlessly guides people through becoming customers. Number 4. Generate targeted traffic via multiple channels. It is time to drive massive targeted traffic to your irresistible new landing page through organic, paid, and viral marketing strategies. Some powerful free options include utilizing social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Reddit to build your brand and share educational, value-rich content related to your niche. Harness the power of influencer marketing by contacting blogs and websites in your industry to request a review of your new product. Additionally, you can spend time each day crafting long-form blog articles, training guides, how-to videos, and more to rank organically on search engines over time. On the paid side, acquire visitors through cost-per-click campaigns on Google and engaging sponsorships on podcasts and forums for your target demographic. Lastly, implement email capture on your site and encourage product owners to spread the word to boost viral potential. The secret is testing numerous traffic sources over 14 days to find the most profitable combinations quickly. Number 5. Nurture leads into raving customers. Once people land on your page, the magic happens behind the scenes with a strategic lead nurturing system. Automatically add all website visitors to an email list for follow-up sequences crafted based on their stage in the buying cycle. Segment your list and test different messaging and offers to maximize response rates. Send timely, personalized emails sharing additional tips, resources, and exclusive deals only available to the list. Include social proof, scarcity, and calls to action tailored for each group in your nurturing streams. Schedule regular automated broadcasts to keep your brand top of mind, whether they buy today or tomorrow. Most importantly, aim to build a one-to-one relationship so people trust and rely on you as their expert guide. Your nurturing will ensure up to 70% of prospects convert into paying customers over time, even if they have yet to be ready on day one of their discovery. Number 6. Scale your income streams. Once the market fit is validated, do not allow growth to plateau. Successful entrepreneurs are masters of progressing up the value chain by offering more robust products and services as demand increases. Leverage the positive social proof and brand awareness built in those 14 days to fuel expansive growth. Release advanced training programs and bundles to upsell past customers seeking to deepen their knowledge. Launch related products in adjacent niches to reach new customers with similar interests. Consider running live online or offline workshops and events to deliver high-ticket coaching offerings. Study your most loyal fans' buying behaviors and pain points to develop tailored VIP programs for premium support. Additional scaling strategies include developing apps, launching affiliate programs, and partnering with complementary businesses to cross-promote and open new revenue channels. With imagination and hustle, the potential is endless as you scale your impact and finances exponentially long after the initial 2-week sprint. Success is within reach. This proven 14-day method offers an attainable blueprint for anyone seeking prosperity, freedom, and fulfillment through entrepreneurship. By adhering to time-tested principles like focusing your energy, filling a need, crafting a compelling offer, driving conversions, and scaling responsibly, growing a sustainable digital business organically from nothing is feasible. Thousands of people have already achieved astonishing incomes using this same formula before you. Do not hesitate. Take action today and watch as your reality transforms before your eyes. With diligent execution of these proven strategies, $10,000 and beyond awaits you within the next 2 weeks. Your future awaits. What will you do with it? As countless testimonials worldwide prove, this formula works wonders when implemented with dedication, hustle, and sound optimization principles. It is now up to you to take the reins of your life, embrace this opportunity head-on, and let these strategies transform your finances and open new doors of possibility. If you're ready to get started, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any tips. Your new life of abundance awaits. Now it's time to get to work.